Name?
Nicholas Vigu.
All right, Nick Vigu. Why are we here today?
To make a to make a volcano.
A volcano? Like out of what?
Out of
Like stuff around the house, or?
yeah, like cut up strips.
Okay. All right. So, how did you make this volcano?
We put cardboard on the bottom of it.
Okay.
And underneath all this is a bottle, a plastic bottle.
Okay.
And then we used 1 cup of water and 1 cup of flour to make these strips, and we put it on.
Oh, to make the paste?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But before we did that, we cut up pieces of cardboard.
Oh, okay. So this thing inside here is made out of cardboard strips and tape?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And then you made your paste, and you pasted the newspaper onto it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is for your science fair, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is his volcano. Right here. What is this right here that the volcano's in?
This is plastic, so when the vinegar and baking soda
Make a
bubbles
chemical reaction?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And so
you used the box.
Yeah.
So you put it in a box and you painted the back. Okay, that's
Yeah.
cool. So, all right. So that's pretty simple, huh?
Yeah.
How long did it take you to do that?
About 1 hour, 2 hours.
1 to 2 hours. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. So like you could do this on the weekend then?
Yeah.
Something, a little weekend project.
Yeah.
Nice. So how about the fun part of making it erupt? Are we gonna do that today?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. All right. What are we gonna do?
First, we're gonna put baking soda up to this black line right there.
Okay. So that's about what, 2 or 3 tablespoons maybe?
Yeah.
Nice. Alright, so what else are we going to do?
And then we're going to put strawberry gelatin on it for the red coloring.
Oh, for like the lava?
Yeah.
Red lava? Oh, nice.
And then we're going to mix it up with the spoon.
Okay. I thought the lava was supposed to come out of the top of the volcano.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, okay. So how long do you mix it for?
About 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay. Is it supposed to be like a certain color or something?
Yeah, red.
Oh, like a light red?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then last you put the vinegar in.
Nice.
And that should make it bubble up.
Okay.
And then when it gets down, you put more in.
Oh, yeah.
Do it about 4 or 5 times.
So the vinegar is making a chemical reaction
Yep.
with the baking soda. Nice.
Oh yeah, and you might might have to paint it again.
Cool. Well, that looked pretty cool, Nick. So, any final words before we shut it off?
This was a great project, and thank you.